Hi, I'm Patricia of Weems Plath, and today I'll show you everything you get when you purchase CrewWatcher, a beacon and app-based man overboard alarm system. Today I will be unboxing the package containing one beacon. There is also a 2-beacon package available. In the box you will find the quick start guide and either 1 or 2 beacons. The guide will quickly help you set up by following a few easy steps. Now, on to the main attraction, the beacons. The beacons are bright orange and have water sensors on the bottom. They are made to be attached to your life jacket. They can also be attached to a pack collar and can even be zip-tied to a dinghy. Once you have downloaded the app, simply activate and pair your beacons with a smartphone or tablet. After that, you are all set. Thanks for watching! To check out the CrewWatcher and other boating safety products, go to weems-plath.com. Subscribe to our channel and see more Weems & Plath products, and be sure to follow us on our social media channels. As always, safety at sea is top priority at Weems & Plath.